New DJ circular out on 15th May 21. Arrangement for vaccination of seafarer. As seafarers are frontline workers, so Indian government made a separate arrangement for vaccination of seafarer. Here I will tell you who can get vaccination, where can a seafarer take vaccination, how can a seafarer take vaccination. Now question comes, who all can take vaccination? Seafarers who are of 45 years of age or above, seafarers who are less than 45 years but have to sign on a vessel after 60 days, an online certificate to this effect to be issued by DGCP. Seafarers above 18 years of age and below 45 years can use this facility after 1st May 21. The second question is that how seafarer can take vaccination. It is mentioned in point 7 of this circular. This is the point 7. As per this, seafarers, RPSL shipping company are required to register on DG's website for the vaccination as per the SOP mentioned in DG circular number 10 of 21. They are required to get themselves registered on CoWIN portal also and schedule his/her vaccination appointment at CoWIN website with the respective port trust hospital or centers. Now the question is, where can a seafarer take vaccination? These are details of COVID vaccination center for the seafarers at ports. Name of the ports, location of the vaccination center, nodal officers and their mobile numbers is given. You can call these doctors and get information. These are the ports where you can take vaccination. And this is the details of private COVID vaccination center for seafarers. Do you guys think this is an appropriate circular? In my opinion, it is not. There is ambiguity in this circular and government latest statement. As per this circular, within 60 days you will get vaccination, but Government of India recommended gap between second dose 2 to 3 months. In my opinion, this circular is incomplete. What is your opinion? Write in comment section. And what about North Indian seafarers? They have to travel in the lockdown. There must be more private hospitals for vaccination of seafarers. Write your opinion in comment section, like the video and share with your friends so that more seafarers can get benefit. And subscribe my channel so that you can get more important updates. Thanks for watching guys.